Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Ethanol combustion problems are fast to solve using the formula. We will calculate ethanol's enthalpy of formation using standard reaction data. Start by setting up the enthalpy of reaction formula, which is the sum of products minus the sum of reactants. Remember that oxygen is an element, so its value is 0. Plug in the values for carbon dioxide and liquid water from your data table. Multiply these by their coefficients from the balanced equation to get the total enthalpy for the products. Subtract the reaction enthalpy of negative 1368 from your product sum. This algebra reveals the ethanol formation value is exactly negative 278.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sophie. Watch signs carefully and trust given values. Option B is correct.